students, good afternoon to all. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Mr. Sukumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher from SCAR, the Gurukul International School. Already, we have studied yesterday about the rational numbers. Already told you that rational number, how we can detect, how we can find the rational numbers in between two rational numbers that we have already studied. Suppose 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. There are two rational numbers. You have to insert two rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Already that we have discussed yesterday. So already I told you there are different methods how to find. One is mean value method. Mean value method. Another is numerator method. Numerator method. Third one is denominator method. Denominator method. And fourth one is whenever the two rational numbers denominators are different. Here you see different. So we can use any one method to find out the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Yesterday we discussed mean value method. Mean value method, again I am telling you, suppose here one number is 1 by 2. Let it at A and B is 3 by 4. Question is how to find the rational numbers in between two. My question is find two rational numbers. Find two rational numbers in between two. So first method is mean value method. So in case of mean value method, first just you add the two. Suppose I write x1. x1 is one rational number. If x1 will be one rational number, so what I will write? First number plus second number divided by 2. Because we have to find the mean. So mean value how can we get? First rational number plus second rational number divided by 2. So I got 4 LCM here, 2 here, 3. So I got 5 by 4 into 2, 8. So I got the first rational number is 5 by 8. Since question is to find two rational numbers, so you may take the mean value of m and b. You may take the mean value of m and b. Otherwise, you may take the mean value of a and m. Whatever you may take any one, because question is to find two rational numbers. Already one rational number we found. So if another is required, so we may take these two rational numbers mean value. So suppose I will take the mean value of a and b. Suppose that is k. So I will write at the point k, x2, it means second rational number. That is 5 by 8 plus 3 by 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2 means into 1 by 2. So after calculation we get here 8 is LCM, 5 plus 4 into 2, so 3 into 2 6, 1 by 2, that we got 11 by 16. So we got two rational numbers, one is 5 by 8, another is 11 by 16. So in this way we can find out the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Another you see, now I will do suppose you see here, I wrote two rational number 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. My question is, insert three rational numbers in between two. Three rational numbers you have to find, x1, x2, x3. How can you determine three rational numbers in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4? So here you observe 3 and 4 denominator are different. If denominators are different, then very simple method, just to take the LCM. So I will write LCM of 3 and 4. Remember, whenever denominators are different, then we will take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. So now you see 1 by 3 I will write what? This 3 has to make 12. Why? Now because LCM is 12. So I will write here 3 into 4. If I write 3 into 4, so numerator will be 1 into 4, because same number will be multiplied with denominator as well as numerator. So I got 4 by 12. I got 4 by 12. So this is the first rational number 1 by 3, which is converted to this one. Now come to the second 1 by 4. So what I will write? LCM is 12. LCM is 12. So I will write 4 into 3. Why? Now because this 4 has to make 12. So 4 into 3. So ultimately 1 into 3. So that is coming 3 by 12. So now you observe, in between 3 and 12, 3 by 12 and 4 by 12, one rational number came 3 by 12, another came 4 by 12. So how we can insert three rational numbers? But 3 and 4 gap is only 1. So better you again proceed. Suppose I will multiply here, you see 3. So if I multiply here 3, ultimately denominator also 3. So what I will write? 12 by 36. So here also same, 3 into 3 and 12 into 3. So that is coming 9 by 36. So now you see, already I have to insert three rational numbers in between 9 by 36 and 12 by 36. So I may write x1 is equal to 10 by 36. x2 is equal to what? 11 by 36. So we require how much? We require 3. If we require 3, next number cannot be 12 by 36. Why? Because here is 36. So again we have to proceed. So what I will do? I will write. Now you see, I will write here 4 into 4. So 4 into 4. Suppose I write 4 into 4. Here also suppose that same number you write into what? 4. So what I will get? Here denominator also 4. Here also denominator 4. What you got? You got here 16 by 48. And here you got 12 by 48. So now you see, we can write first number will be 13 by 48. Second number will be 14 by 48. Third number will be 15 by 48. Because you require 3 rational numbers. So when you require 3 rational numbers, now you see, if the two numbers are 12 by 48 and 16 by 48, so we can insert in between them 13 by 48, 14 by 48, 15 by 48. It means denominators are 48, 48. So I will write what? I will write ultimately 16 by 48, that is greater than 15 by 48, that is greater than 14 by 48, and greater than 13 by 48, and greater than 12 by 48. So this type of numericals, how we will proceed? First we will observe how many rational numbers we have to find. If suppose 2, then if that is not adjusted, then what we will do? The same number, by increasing the order, we will multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. So that what we will observe? Ultimately we will see there will be the gap. Now you see here 48 is the LCM, 48 is the LCM, but 12 and 16 already there are. We can adjust 13, 14, 15, because question was like that, to find the rational numbers in between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So this is the method you remember when denominators are different. Now dear children, I will give you this type of question and you will solve. So question is, find two rational numbers in between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Question number 2, 3 rational numbers in between 1 by 6 and 1 by 7. So these questions I think you will do. If any doubt arises, you will ask me. Please remember my mobile number, that will contact 8982408504. We will contact in this my number if any doubt arises. Thank you.